Hi there, students. To cloud the issue. Okay, if you cloud the issue, you make something more complicated. Here, the word issue talks about the matter, the subject, the topic. So, if I give a muddled explanation of this, it will cloud the issue. Okay, so notice here, issue is not necessarily talking about a problem. It's just talking about the subject. So, if I go into the detailed grammar of this text, it will only cloud the issue. I really like this example where when you ask a politician a direct question that he doesn't want to answer, he always clouds the issue. Yeah, he talks about something else. He doesn't stick to the question that he's been asked. He's trying to cloud the issue and make it not clear. Politicians don't like to state their point of view. They like to have a very unclear point of view about things, because this clouds the issue, and it means people from different backgrounds and with different beliefs will actually vote for them. Okay, so yeah, I think very often political correctness and politically correct titles can cloud the issue. So yeah, he works as a sanitary disposal engineer. He picks up the rubbish. It's clouding the issue. It's making it more difficult to understand. If you're trying to think clearly about something, don't let emotion cloud the issue. Yeah, think about things coldly and in the light of what is best, but don't let emotion come in, because emotion is very good at clouding an issue. Yeah, it clouds your view of the situation and you're unable to understand it properly. Yeah, you're unable to see it clearly. So the issue here is an important subject that people are arguing about or discussing. Yeah, so if you cloud the issue, it just makes things more difficult to understand. Okay, so maybe if you're trying to understand what's happened and people are lying, this clouds the issue. Yeah, it just makes it really, really difficult to understand. So to complicate, to muddle, yeah, to hide, okay, to make something unclear and confused. So please don't cloud the issue. Don't play word games. Just call a spade a spade. Say what there is, and don't cloud the issue. Don't make it impossible to understand. And this is the idea of to cloud the issue, to obfuscate, to distract from the topic at hand by introducing irrelevant information. Yeah, you're not answering the question that I asked. You're just clouding the issue by talking about your past achievements. Or, yeah, the politician pointing out their opponent's bad record in the past, which just clouds the issue. It makes something even more difficult to understand. Okay, so to cloud, to put clouds in there, to make something hazy, that's the idea. And then the issue, the matter that people are talking about. Let's see, I think I would give this, to cloud the issue, I think I'm going to give it a 4.5 in formality. So I think use it anywhere except in something in a very formal writing. Yeah, I think in a semi-formal writing, this phrase to cloud the issue sounds quite good. And then the origin, to cloud, to something's cloudy, you can't see it properly. And then the issue, the matter at hand, the thing that people are talking or arguing about. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. To cloud the issue.